they said it was going to be raining, but it's not. It's Sunday morning, November 15, 2009, 5:27 a.m. and I'm back on stand. Hopefully the deer that decided to visit my stand last night will be back sometime this morning, and I'll give him my regards. But until later, signing off. Wish me luck. It's 9 o'clock. As you can see, the weather's looking not the best in the world. It's starting to rain again. At about 7 a.m., right over there, southeast of my position, I heard a couple of buck grunts. I got naturally kind of excited about that. Didn't see anything. About a half hour later, I heard two more from the same general location. Started getting suspicious. Another half hour, two more from the same general area. Then at about 8 o'clock, I heard antlers rattling and then thrashing the brush, so I knew I had a hunter not too far from my position trying to call deer. I think all I really managed to do was spook them out because I've not seen a single thing other than squirrels. I am going to sit here a while longer, but I won't be able to film if it really starts raining. Brought my wet weather gun today. My little 270 Bell & Carlson Kevlar stock. Nice, handy, light little weapon. I just hope I get to use it. Signing off for now. I wish I was that carefree. But I had to work for a living. It's 10:36 and I've had just about all the fun I can stand for one day. Promised Barb and Jess that we'd go to the movies this afternoon, so I'll be back in the morning, I suppose, unless it's raining too hard. See you then. Hasta la bye-bye.